Hi everybody, I just wanted to share my inspirations, thoughts, and biggest takeaways from the Aroma Summit that I am attending this weekend, Aroma Summit by Aroma Trust. And for those of you who aren't able to attend or who have attended and maybe will participate in this conversation, I wanted to share some insights in the next few days on what inspired me, what I think you might want to pay attention to, or go to a replay if you haven't watched it, or if you want to watch it again. I'm curious also about your views on that. So today I want to start with something very simple or more fun. I would like to address Mark Webb's fantastic lecture on aromatic cuisine, Just a Taste. And I actually have to finish watching this because Mark has an hour of the lecture, and I wanted to participate in the live Q&A to pick his brain a little bit. He's such a fascinating fella. Hi Mark, if you're watching this. And interestingly, with his presentation, it is about using aromatics in cuisine. But what I found fascinating is all the extracts that are available there. He does mention also how to use and incorporate some essential oils and which oils to start with, but he really loves to use CO2 extracts. And there was a part of the lecture that I got to watch and appreciate, where he explains the difference between these extracts: a macerated oil, a CO2 extract, and other versions of oils that he uses. And I would like to encourage you to pay attention to that. And you haven't already seen some of my previous videos, I address this as well, understanding the definitions and terminology, because if you want to do a simple thing as he is, more fun, for example, using aromatics as in essential oils or other extracts in your cuisine, there is so much things you need to understand better. Like the CO2 extracts have different fractions to them, and what does that mean? What does that mean on how to choose them? And it's very important. We talk later in the Q&A about safety and dosage. He gives some great advice on how to begin to incorporate this in your cuisine. It's a lot of fun. So I really recommend watching that one. And if you would like to get started on your vocabulary, aromatic vocabulary, I invite you to my ABC course, Aroma Alphabet, where I also discuss the fundamental definitions that we might take for granted, like what is an essential oil, but do you really know the term for it, the standard definitions. So this is something I would like you to encourage you to take a look at, to get informed about, and from there can we build more, because if you do not know the terminology, you will not even be able to follow a beautiful lecture like Mark's. So Mark, if you're watching, thank you so much for all this wonderful information you shared. And I am putting 2 pictures of my today's dessert. It is an aromatic one, so I'm looking forward to your comments, everybody's comments on this short post. So today I had a matcha ice cream, which is they made it from the tea, and also there was some other aromatics there, such as lemon and other things. Let me see if you can figure it out. And what do you think about this little comment of mine, and also about the terminology and the importance of being clear on what each extract is, because that will reflect the safety, the dosage, and ultimately the effect that you want to bring, whether it's in your cosmetic remedy or a cooking experience. So let me know how you feel about that. I'm also going to put a link to my little course if you want to get started with that. And of course, go ahead and check out the Aroma Summit by Aroma Trust. There is plenty of great speakers there. I'll be talking about the next one in my next video. Thank you for watching.